Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete your Instagram account from some other device. Please subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to put your likes and write your comments. So, let us get down to our topic. To begin with, you and I will open the Instagram app. Here you will need to go to your profile. And then at the top, click on the three bars, then Privacy Settings. And here you'll need to go to the Meta Account Center at the very top. You click, and then you'll go to Password and Security. And you'll have two choices, two views of how you can delete your Instagram account from some other device. And the first one is if, let's say, you suspect that some person knows your Instagram account password and can access your account from any device. Then you just need to change the password so that the person can't do it again. To do this, you need to select the very first function, which is Change Password. Next, you choose your Instagram account. If you have more than one, you choose the one you want. And this is where you change your password. To do this, you will first need to keep the password that you currently have valid to your Instagram account. Next, you need to enter the new password that you come up with, but keep in mind that the password should be at least 6 characters long. It should include both letters and numbers, as well as special characters. And next, you must duplicate your new password one more time. Once all this is done, you simply click and change password at the bottom. The password will be instantly changed, and in order to log into your record, your Instagram account, a person will need to enter your new password that they don't know. Second option is if you personally want to log out of your Instagram account from another device, because, let's say, you took someone's phone or laptop, logged into your Instagram account, and did not log out. In that case, you'll need to go to the Security Passwords section. Find where you're logged in. You select your Instagram account. This will show you all the devices that you've logged into that Instagram account from. I only have 2 devices at the moment. You may have many more, a dozen or more than a dozen. In order to delete any device, you'll just have to click on it and select Add Exit. And that's it, and instantly you'll be logged out of your Instagram account on some other device. If you have more than one, I'll show you Facebook as an example. Let's say several devices show you in the list. When you can immediately log out of multiple devices, for this you will need to click Select Devices to log out. Here you can check the checkboxes, and after that you can already select Add Exit from Devices. This is the simple way you can delete your Instagram account from some other device. I hope, friends, that this video helped you and was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes and don't forget to write your comments. See you next time.